Today's video is for all you window cleaners out there that are using a DI only type system in your water-fed window cleaning setup. You might have a single stage DI tank such as this, or a double stage DI tank. Maybe you have an Unger system and you've been using it for a while, but you've noticed over time that you're spending quite a lot on DI replacement costs because it's only using one type of filtering. Not only that, there's that inconvenience, that downtime when maybe you want to do a big job and maybe you start off at 5 or 6 TDS. You get halfway through your morning and already you're seeing the TDS reading about 40 or 50 or maybe even higher, and you're getting spots in your window. So it's a real pain to have to change out your DI in the middle of a job. So you're thinking about upgrading to a multi-stage system. There's so many multi-stage systems out there. This is just one of them. And what you get with a multi-stage system is much reduced maintenance cost over the long run, because you have a lot of pre-filtering before the water even gets to the DI. So you'll have the initial pre-filtering, which is usually a carbon and sediment filter combined, or a separate carbon and sediment filter. This handles chlorine and any physical junk in the water. Then it goes through an RO membrane. The RO membrane, although it is a purifier, it's not 100%. Usually on average, a new RO membrane will reduce the TDS by about 95%. So that means the DI doesn't have to work so hard. It just has to handle that last 5%. So you can go a long time without having to change any filters, so very little downtime. And even to change out the DI, there's usually like about $20, $30 worth of DI in the chamber that change out at any given time, as opposed to like a half cubic foot tank. It might be like around $150 to change out. Now, upgrading to an RODI system does come with a few setbacks. It's something very important for you to know. If you've been using the DI for quite a while, there's a certain luxury that you've had with it, and that is you get 100% water out as what's going in. In other words, there's no water loss. The water simply comes in through the chamber. The DI ion exchange process changes that into pure water, and 100% water that's coming in will come out to your pole, and very little as far as any kind of pressure loss, which means you can usually clean up to 4, 5, 6, even 6 stories if you got good city pressure. Not the same with an RO DI system such as this. The main reason is because of how the RO membrane works. You don't get 100% water out as you do in. You see, in order to keep this RO membrane long lasting, you have to have a certain amount of water being flushed out, carrying out the waste minerals at all times. You might lose anywhere between 20 to 40% of your water that's going in, depending on the system setup. So water goes in through here, in through the pre-filter, through the RO membrane. Like I said, anywhere between 20 to 40%, depending on the system, goes out to the waste, and then the rest gets directed to the DI. So what that means is you're not going to get as much water out of the brush head. And back in the day when I started window cleaning, I only had a 2-jetted brush. Then I upgraded to a 4-jetted brush. That seemed like a luxury. And then there were fan jets. Even that was requiring more water. But if you've seen any of the water-fed brushes that are around today, usually they have 4 jets, fan jets, or rinse bars going straight across the top. You need a lot of volume of water to come out of those brushes. So one thing to consider when buying a system like this, you might have to buy a booster pump. It's not that there's any flaw with the system, it's just the nature of how these filters work. Another thing to consider too is that if you ever want to run 2 poles off a multi-stage system, almost always you will need a booster pump. As far as how much actual water you need coming out of a brush head to do a proper cleaning, when you got your brush facing outwards, there really should only be about a foot, maybe 1 to 2 feet at the most of the water shooting out before it falls down. If you're shooting out 3, 4, 5 feet, you're using way too much water, and on a DI system, that could be part of the reason why you are going through the DI so fast. But quite often, if you're on a multi-stage system like this, if you're cleaning like maybe 3 to 4 stories, you're not going to see like 4 or 5 feet of water shooting out of the brush head. It is going to be more like just about a foot or so, and that's plenty of water. I mean, it's always nice to have more water when you're doing the rinse, especially if you have hydrophobic glass and you want more water on the glass. So again, that might be another reason why you need a booster pump. And booster pumps, a starter booster pump will run you, anywhere from $250 to $300, and you can get them all the way up to like really powerful ones that are just over $1,000. But anyway, these are some important notes to think of when thinking about upgrading from a DI system to an RODI system, a multi-stage system. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.